What if your home could decorate itself in just 5 minutes, perfectly matching your mood, your guests, and even the season? Think about it, decorating your home today means hours of shopping, endless choices, and skyrocketing bills. Holidays and family gatherings double the pressure, matching lights, arranging furniture, balancing colors, and creating the perfect vibe. Stressful, right? Now, imagine a world where your home does it all for you. Every light, every ornament, every scent and sound, perfectly orchestrated, while you simply relax. Zero effort, zero stress, total magic. Your home becomes alive, anticipating your needs, turning chaos into calm, and transforming every celebration into an unforgettable experience. Welcome to the year 2030, where interior design is no longer stressful, time-consuming, or expensive. Gone are the days of tangled lights, dusty boxes, and endless hours spent decorating. In this era, your home does it for you. Imagine this. With one simple voice command, your entire living space transforms. Want a cozy Christmas atmosphere? Glowing ornaments, a virtual fireplace, and the scent of pine appear in moments. Prefer a vibrant Diwali celebration? Your walls bloom with light, color, and tradition, all without you lifting a finger. This isn't magic. It's intelligence. AI-powered nano walls, reactive lighting, and immersive soundscapes work together to turn your vision into reality instantly. You save time. You save money. You save your energy for what truly matters, making memories. So sit back, relax, and let your home set the scene. The future of decor isn't just smart, it's effortless, ready to see it in action. Let's step inside. This futuristic home doesn't just greet you, it transforms to welcome you. Imagine walls that don't just hold a color, but actively glow with a soft, internal light. Their very texture can shift underfoot and at your touch, from the crisp, cool feel of a frosted winter morning to the warm, smooth embrace of golden silk. With a simple command, the entire atmosphere adapts instantly, enveloping you in a snowy Christmas scene or wrapping you in the warm, radiant golden tones of Eid or Diwali, making every celebration profoundly personal and immersive. Step inside and leave the ordinary world behind. Every surface around you is a living, breathing canvas, brought to life by a revolutionary fusion of nanopaint and subtle holographic overlays. This is environmental storytelling at its most advanced. Simply speak your desire. Want a serene winter wonderland? Watch as delicate, virtual snowflakes begin to gently drift and dance across every wall, the room cooling to a perfect crisp ambience. Prefer a vibrant tropical party? In mere seconds, the space erupts with the lush foliage of palm trees and the breathtaking glow of a setting sun, completely transforming your reality. Welcome to the ultimate expression of intelligent luxury. In this home, your environment doesn't just respond, it anticipates. Witness the sheer elegance of adaptive furniture. Your tables, chairs, and even plush sofas glide silently and effortlessly into perfect new positions, all on their own. Imagine the seamless convenience. Simply say, hosting a dinner, and your space gracefully reconfigures into a stunning dining mode. Command, movie night, and it instantly transforms into a breathtaking, immersive cinema mode. This is more than smart living, it's a curated experience of effortless sophistication, designed exclusively for those who demand the future, today. Your AI is an artist of ambience, not just a decorator. It masterfully choreographs every sense. As your winter wonderland theme appears, smart fragrance diffusers instantly fill the air with the crisp scent of fresh pine and vanilla. The lighting softens to a warm, festive glow, perfectly matching the scene. Even the soundscape seamlessly shifts, surrounding you with joyful carols or switching to smooth, calming jazz for a sophisticated evening. This is a complete sensory experience, meticulously crafted to elevate your moment and transform your mood. It's pure magic. Would you let an AI design your next holiday? Tell us in the comments below, because the future of decor is already here. Get ready for the ultimate wow moment. This home doesn't just obey commands, it evolves with you. Through every dinner party, movie night, and quiet evening, its AI studies your preferences, refining its understanding of your unique style. No more stressful planning, disappointing decor, or wasted spending on things that don't resonate. Now picture this: you walk through the door after a demanding day, and before you even speak, your home has already set the scene, curating everything from lighting to fragrance to match your desired vibe: serene, celebratory, or cozy romantic. It's like living inside a world designed by your own dreams, where every detail feels perfect to you. This isn't automation, it's magic. This isn't science fiction. These AI decor systems are being tested right now, and by 2030, they'll be everywhere. This is not just a house, it's a partner that knows you better than anyone. So, if you're excited for the future of homes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the future is only getting started. Next up, don't lift a finger, AI decorates your whole home. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.